I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device uses an integrated display adapter and that you installed recent Windows updates. Open Settings, go to System then Display to see if the slider appears. If it's missing, restart once after updates. This often restores settings. Once done, open Device Manager and prepare to inspect display and monitor drivers. You're doing the immediate, necessary checks first, so the main fixes target the right component rather than guessing blindly. Next, you'll tackle drivers and services because the slider often disappears when drivers are wrong. In Device Manager update, display adapters and monitors, or roll back if a recent update broke brightness control. Make sure the Microsoft ECP-compliant control method battery driver is present. Uninstall, then scan for hardware changes to reinstall it. Also check power options for adaptive brightness and enable it if available. Once these steps complete, restart the system so Windows reinitializes display controls and power management. For finalization, run the Power Troubleshooter and open Windows Mobility Center to look for brightness settings. These can restore the missing slider. If Windows default drivers fail, download and install OEM graphics drivers from the laptop maker site since manufacturer drivers expose brightness controls. After installing, restart and verify the slider returns. If nothing works, create a restore point and perform system restore to a date when the slider was present. This is a safe troubleshooting tip to revert unintended changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.